All the links you need to join my chat or take action on the course or the mentorship are here. Otherwise, click that Twitter link to private message me. Over this weekend, many people were profiting in the chat. If you want to become a student, I do offer one-to-one mentorship or have a course for anyone that doesn't have too much time. If you just want to be part of the chat, all the links that you need are found in the description and comment section below. So you can either just become a member and join the chat or actually take action and become a student. How's it going, everyone? It's Louis Crypto here, back with another XRP update. I'm going to keep this quite simple for you today. Make sure you are liking this video, subscribing, commenting down below, and if you can share this out to your followers, it would be much appreciated so we can grow as a channel. We're on the road to 10k, so yeah, let's get there as quick as we can. Right now I'm seeing a head and shoulders pattern forming over here. Sorry, let me just get rid of this. There we go. So yeah, head and shoulders pattern over here, something that we've actually seen in the past in the very same location. So this was back at the end of last year. I remember calling this out, and we met the target. Of course, we actually continued a bit lower, but I did take it from the highest wick back down to the lowest body candle close on the neckline, and we can see target was met. I can even double check with the Fibonacci's. Yeah, so we had some confluence with the 1618 target. We continued down to the 2, and then we reversed, double bottomed over there, and then returned back to where we were, put in new high. But again, unfortunately, same thing's going on again, and forming the same pattern, looking for the same target to be met, unless we're going ahead and invalidating it. So invalidation would be us pumping up as we have done right now. We're actually closing above and holding it consistently as support and heading higher, breaking that high. That is how we go ahead and invalidate that pattern. It could even be an inverse head and shoulders. However, that is not the case at the moment. This is just a bearish retest, something that we were saying on Bitcoin the last few days, that the pump that we saw with Bitcoin yesterday was just a bull trap. We even said it, and it's in the title yesterday, this is a bull trap. And as we can see today, Bitcoin dumped, and so was XRP done as well. It's followed suit. So of course, if Bitcoin loses key area support, I think it's 26.5k, then of course we're going to get that continuation lower for XRP, as it's already validated the pattern's target. Technically speaking, we're trying to invalidate this bearish cross by climbing back above, looking for support and breaking the high. But as you can see, we're yet to actually form the bullish cross, and so this can result in something called an EMA repel, with price failing to form a bullish cross and coming back on and going down in a slingshot motion. So this could be the perfect short for XRP, as long as it remains below this yellow line. So what I'm going to personally do is enter short with stop loss above this wick over here. You can see to the left there's a wick there. To be honest, you can be even safer and actually place your stop loss over there. But technically speaking, guys, if this is actually in a downtrend now, if this pattern is truly valid, then it should not even go higher than this point, because this is the last high. And so in downtrends, you have lower highs. This is our high, this is lower, and technically at the moment, this is still lower than that high. So we would need to continue with that trend, which is lower lows and lower highs. We have the lower lows each time. We still have the lower highs each time. So let's now continue with this. That's why, if you want, technically speaking, you could put your stop loss there, because if we were to break above this point, that's invalidation of the trade. If you want to give it a little bit more room, I'd say put it on or above that wick over there. It's completely down to you guys, but that would be from current price to that wick 6.5% or 7%, let's say, and to here 8.5%. So it's not really a position where you could put lots of leverage, to be honest, guys. Okay, I wouldn't personally, to be honest. If it's already like an 8% minus, then, you know, maybe not even put leverage at all if you're going to be using your whole account. So I'm now going to get you the targets to the downside, and so I'm going to show you two. The more conservative one, from the highest body candle close back down to the neckline. And on the breakdown right there, we can see the pattern's target is pretty much back down to where we came from. A few months ago now, I was saying that we want to hold above this area over here, because this was our bottom and this was our higher low. So we need to keep a hold of this higher low. What I would say, guys, if we are actually coming down that deep, any pump up could just be a fake bounce, and then you could even say this is a larger head and shoulders pattern over here, potentially for XRP going forward. So really need to keep an eye on that. We can see that it happened last time as well, and on the breakdown, as I mentioned before, we had a horizontal support across the lowest bodies, and we came down there, got a like liquidity grab, and came back up, formed that higher low. So that's why it's so important to hold this 35 cent area, otherwise we are coming back down to 30 cent psychological level. Do you understand that? Hopefully that was a bit clear for you. And again, this whole image over here with this shoulder, head and shoulder, although this over here is the head and shoulders pattern, you know, this can all become a head. This is a shoulder and another shoulder, and you need to lose the neckline. We had lost the neckline, but this is why I always tell you use 2 necklines of a head and shoulders pattern. This is why I explain in depth in my course, mentorship, as well as in my group chat, which we do weekly group calls all together. So if that's something that you want to be a part of, you know, my mentorship will also include my course for free, and you're going to get 3 months for free in my Discord community, so you can try it out with the course or the mentorship. So all the links that you need are pinned in the comment section down below. So yeah, just either hit those links. You can find my Twitter over there. It's Louis_crypto. It's going to be found on my link tree, and you can private message me over there. We'll click the other links to actually buy the course and the mentorship or become a member. But coming back to XRP, the target itself, about 36 cent. I'll be looking at the lowest body candle close over here, so pretty much 36 cent on the dot, so a nice psychological level. We've also got a double bottom over here, so maybe coming back down to in and around that area, something like this. And then yeah, that would be essentially your support. We can even drag it to the past more. We can see retests over there, some more resistance points. There we go. Perfecto. So yeah, just to show you that there is somewhat of a support over here. Me personally would be looking at a box this as this size, but many people don't like quite large boxes, so I've taken it from that double bottom neckline, which is the highest body close there, to the lowest body close over here, also tying up very nicely with this head and shoulders patterns target. Again, the only way we invalidate this is now by forming a bullish cross and actually reclaiming these 2 levels, so the yellow line as well as 49 cent, let's just say 50 cent. So we need to climb back above 50 cent if we want to go ahead and invalidate this bearish pattern, which should actually happen. From today's current price of 45 cent, we could see a dump of about 20%, and this is without any leverage, guys. So even if you were to use a 2x leverage, wow, you could get 40% on this move. Now this will take some days and some weeks, so don't be disillusioned that this will happen overnight or in 1 week's time. It could be in 1 week's time, no idea. I'm never going to tell you timestamps on things. It's complete nonsense. Anyone telling you timestamps on things, X price is going to be hit on X date, it's all a bunch of nonsense. Don't listen at all. Really keep your eyes peeled on that. So that's pretty much it for today's XRP update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please do smash that like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and of course share this out to your mates. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Hope to see more of you joining the community, whether that's as a member or a student. I'll catch you in the next XRP update and update you guys about this position over here. Hopefully to take profit. Let's go.